Hello and welcome to Tech AI. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up on DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is search for DeepSeek and you can be headed to this site after you go to deepseek.com. Go ahead and tap on Start Now. The next step you want to do is click on Sign Up if you don't have an account. If you already have it, just go ahead and enter your login credentials and click on Login. Go ahead and tap on Sign Up if you don't have an account. What you need to do now is write in your email address. After you're done writing the email address, go ahead and set up a pass for yourself. So go ahead and write down the password, which is tight on security. Check your password once by clicking on this icon over here. Go ahead and write down the password once again. Write down your code option over here. Tap on Send Code. A code will be headed over to your phone. Just go ahead and confirm it. Go ahead and tap on this icon over here and then click on Sign Up. This way you can easily sign up on DeepSeek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.